Why should people continue to drink ketones once they hit their goals? Fat loss is just a small portion of what ketones can help aid in. In fact, ketones really help with body recomposition, and we're talking about helping with fat loss and aiding with muscle mass, which is more important than just weight loss. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ketones have benefits for overall cognitive function, anti-aging, longevity, and so much more. We're finding out every single day more benefits for what ketones have beyond just helping with body composition.